We are here with Tyler Davis. This guy's been riding an EUC lately. He gave up the one wheel completely, but it has no suspension. I don't know what he's doing with that thing. So today he's gonna try a real wheel. This Nosfet Aero here. Yeah, you can just start on my wheel. And it's also gonna be my first time riding an EUC with no suspension. So it's kind of a double whammy.
Okay, you ready?
Head's good.
Oh. Oh shit.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh
this feels
dude.
so weird.
Having these pedals are super sick. I can't adjust my feet because my feet always feel like they're slipping off those pedals.
Dude, I don't even know how to ride this thing. Holy.
And my pads are not going to be easy for you. You can adjust those if you want because they're super asymmetrical.
Oh, I'm just getting bucked by everything.
Oh, well, yeah. Oh, this is butter. Oh, yeah.
Bro's taking off from me.
I was going to say, where the jump? Okay, that just says don't enter, so.
The jumps are this way. Oh, he's gone. Bro, this is so sketchy. We should have aired down your tire too.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I guess. I don't know if we should do that anymore though, because that's how I popped my first tire.
What are your first impressions?
This thing is butter, bro.
I can't imagine going from this to that. That's crazy.
Well, you can imagine because you're going to do it.
Oh, this is so bad.
Just the pegs on the pedals, bro. I can get some good leverage, like.
I just need suspension so bad on one wheel.
Dude, yeah.
After riding EUC. Oh God.
The jump. Oh, here we go.
I'm so scared to do this.
Oh my God, this guy.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Fuck. I don't know if I'm that confident.
Bro, where are you? I'm supposed to be getting follow footage.
I'm coming. Whoa. I didn't adjust my feet right. Hold on.
Come on, bro. I got more air than that on the no suspension. And I'm not even in your pads.
Right? I'm trying to turn around.
Oh, we're going back up. Oh God, I wish I knew that. Ugh.
Oh my God, that's so nice.
Dude, the noises this thing makes when you over torque it.
Oh, it's cool, but it's
Like,
scary. Yeah, and it's not even like a 70% noise either. I don't know what it is. It's gotta be like 50 or something.
Dude, it's just the noise it makes when you're giving it juice.
Dies.
Dude, that must feel so insane going.
Get...
It was so scary on this thing. Oh, shit, I don't want to do it again. Oh my God, he's flying. Oh.
Jesus.
Oh shit.
It feels like butter, man. That's crazy.
That's been my favorite part about the EUC is the suspension.
Yeah.
It's just so nice. Whew. Like
All
it's just, the trail is just anything you hit, like these roots.
Oh.
Like you just do.
That's my biggest complaint is like, damn, I'm feeling everything. I missed my big tire.
Yeah.
So it's not really a good comparison to really what an EUC can offer.
You definitely should be running like 15 PSI though.
Bro, it's not my rim to break.
There's no rocks out here.
Yeah, your stance looks a lot better. Like your feet are even on the pedals. My right foot is like way out more when I ride that thing. Like, I don't know.
All right, now you got to do it on this.
I know what to say. You ready? Swap it? Oh, you got to clear the whole thing now that you upgraded.
I still haven't really done jumps on the EUC because I've been injured.
Valid.
Are you coming?
Yep. Somehow.
Ooh.
Woo. Woo. Just feel everything. All right, let's do a proper trail ride.
Oh yeah, I don't even feel anything again. It's so nice.
Oh shit, he's going again.
Oh! What was that, like 6 inches? The drop-in is just so scary on that one compared to this. The drop-in, you can just fucking send it on this thing.
You sending it again?
Woo. Woo.
Damn it! God, I broke my collarbone with that fucking landing. Jesus. All right, we want to rip one of the trails now? You think?
Yeah, it should turn into the all turns or whatever. guy's got 500 miles. He's cooking.
Woo! Not off-road though.
Yeah, you're still, oh shit. You're still better than me at like turning and stuff.
Oh, I'm just testing it right now. I'm trying to figure out where it's at. So you're about to watch me eat it. Because I don't have any of that turn comp. It's off completely. So it shouldn't turn off on me. So I should be able to get deep in theory. It's a shame this fucking trail feels like ass because it's so bumpy. Not that you could tell. Oh shit. Whoa! One wheel could never. Oh, 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 okay. I can only do left turns, not rights.
Oh, he's losing me. Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, that mossy berm.
Oh my God, that was such a good one. Yeah, I probably have like 70 miles.
How much of it's off-road though?
All of it.
That's what I'm saying. That adds up to like 300 street miles, bro. The street is nothing but straight. Downloaded fork. Oh, if you want. I don't want to wish that on anybody.
Why do you have your toe hook so far from your foot?
I don't really. I was still learning, so I wasn't really wanting to lock in yet. I haven't adjusted the toes actually. I definitely have an issue with that.
That's why your feet are falling off.
Left?
No, we're gonna go do this loop real quick.
Oh, gotcha.
I was bouncing off the fucking thing.
Right here? Sea
Yeah,
level?
go left. Oh my God. No wonder Bree was struggling on the one wheel. I didn't realize how bumpy it is. Woo! Woo! I can't fucking catch this guy.
Oh shit! I can hear it hit the root, but I didn't feel it hit the root.
You don't feel anything, you just go.
It's so cool. I bet that makes me even higher too. For the sake of pedal clipping being safer. Whoa, yellow.
Oh, I almost pedal clipped.
Ooh.
But yeah, I like how on the ESC it's like you have to take different lines than the one wheel.
Oh, dude, completely.
So
yeah.
it's like a completely different experience.
For sure. That's why it's just like, oh, I can see it's not a catch-all better ride. One's like a magic carpet. One's like a personal like bike thing. I don't know.
Yeah, they're just completely different. But they're both super fun, especially on the trails.
The way they hit berms and shit's different too. Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah, everything's so different about them.
Whoa!
Oh,
I think I'm off? No, I'm on. Okay.
oh shit.
Woo, I'm getting tired. My muscles are slacking.
Wait till you get back on this thing.
Right?
Oh shit.
Wherever there's a big spot, we can swap back.
Bonking on this thing, it's like, it just wants to bounce.
Oh, I didn't even think of trying with this guy.
Oh shit.
Oh, whoops. Preload?
To
Never
bonk
met
on
him.
that, you have to preload it. If you just try and hit it, it doesn't work.
Interesting. Oh, wanna jump this?
You can. It's so crazy with the hooks and the fucking preload, you can jump so high.
Oh, get fucked, nerd.
Oh,
Later. All right. Oh.
Bro experienced his first suspension bonk.
Dude, fucking A,
And
right?
that thing has more torque too, so the bonks are wild.
It's a
You just
sexy
felt it
beast.
for the first time.
Yeah, dude, it was gassing in midair. It's a nice trail. I saw the roots and I'm like, all right, I got them now. I'm not even gonna feel these.
I actually stayed with you.
Fuck. Oh, get fuck, nerd. Later. Okay, all right, you ready? Oh yeah, I definitely know what you mean. My toes be lonely. They need a hug.
Yeah, especially with how your pedals don't have any spikes.
Straight up.
You need that pressure pushing down.
That's a nice bonk.
Whew. So scared of pedal clipping.
Dude, fucking A. That's what I was asking the guys. I'm like, where? Oh, that's a sick bonk. Like, where's your line of sight? Do you use two eyeballs like PUBG? One on the horizon and one ahead? Or like what? I guess they just use... Oh!
Yeah, that's what I keep getting almost like on the side of the trail.
Woo. That's what I'm saying. I wonder how high up we are though. Hopefully we're not close. I don't know,
That's
bro.
the Black Diamond.
Which way? That way?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on the right way?
Should be.
Should be. Famous last words. Mega drop. One wheel could never.
No, Bree actually made it up this.
Oh, fuck yeah. What is she on?
20S VESC
Oh, sexy. Okay.
with a 5-inch hypercore,
Yeah, that'll do it.
regular Pioneer.
Yeah, but that's not a one wheel. That's a VESC.
I read a Reddit post today that was like, future motion boards aren't meant to really go over 20. I was like, what?
The racing is a sham.
So many people haven't ridden the XL and don't know that FM actually has a good board now.
Oh, it's so nice. They don't even advertise the XL. They try to get everyone on a fucking classic. It's so annoying.
Yeah.
Every time someone on Reddit says something, it's just always like
It's
classic.
either classic or X7.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, definitely the X7's Reddit's favorite board for sure.
Yeah. The long range.
I mean, I can't complain. Jaren's got one, bro. He did like a big ass day with me when I was on my EUC. I can't remember if it was like 23 miles or 27 trail miles. So that got my dick hard for that.
The supercharged now, you get 600 watt hours of tabless cells, and it's pretty damn good.
Okay.
That's what I've been on for a while. And I can get 15 miles every ride.
Fuck yeah, okay.
And that's with 130 volts. Oh god. Oh, so scared of slipping out.
I'm really impressed with the traction of both of our wheels. I've been trying. I've been expecting to slide out on some of these
Yeah,
berms.
I thought the traction would be worse, but since you're only on the small contact point, it kind of digs in. I didn't like think about that till I had it. The one wheel, your weight's spread out so far across that big tire.
Whoa, talking shit.
Bro's about to find out where the limit
Right.
is. Oh shit. It's so funny, I feel none of that.
I know, I'm like crouched in preparing, just being bumped everywhere.
That thing, you have to be so scared at all times. It's like even worse than the one wheel.
Am I going the right way?
No, this is the loop we just did.
Okay.
You're have to go backwards.
All right, following you now, sir.
Be careful.
I don't know how I did that. You ready to get a boogity?
Yeah, we just got to go down all turns or whatever, all berms or whatever. It's such a sick trail.
Sick.
It's gonna be a little scary on the EUC.
Well, I'm prepared to cry.
But yeah, this is a sweet find, this trail system.
Yeah, you were telling me and I was just like, I swear I've looked. So I must have seen all those other trails.
Yeah. This system only opened like 3 years ago.
Gotcha.
So there's not that many videos either.
Yeah, maybe I haven't, that guy didn't post yet because that guy's videos were from last year.
Yeah,
main guy.
they were like 10 months old, a lot of them.
Yeah. Whoa, that was deep. That's what I was like, I can't wait to learn how these things function. Like once I feel safe on these things, oh, I bet they're so fun.
Yeah. When you can just lean in.
Literally.
Both like side and forward. Oh!
Oh yeah.
This part was so bad on your wheel.
Oh yeah. Just
You're just like duh, 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 duh.
All right. This one?
Mini foot brake.
Oh. Is it this one though?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, boys and girls. Last trail, learning curves. Oh. I think this one was very sick.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, the berms.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, I could have cleared that. The rutted parts just don't even matter on this thing. It's so sick. Oh yeah. Ew. Woo. Woo. All right, here's the big daddy.
Oh fuck.
Oh, I got scared. I didn't commit.
Whoa! It's a fucking sidewalk. Woo!
Woo. Oh yeah. Woo.
Yo.
I think there's one more.
Sick, sick.
Let's see if I can commit to this one.
Oh! Whoa! I didn't know you meant jump. I thought you meant burn.
Both. Oh my God, jumping's so easy on this thing. That was like my first time actually hitting a jump.
Woo! Woo! My back.
I can do like 20 more of those.
I could probably do 2.
Suspension is just like,
Whew.
I'm just like,
Oh, we're at the jump. Might as well do that.
yeah,
All right.
the fun's never over.
And away we go.
Woo! Woo! Oh!
And away we go.
Woo! Woo! Oh!
You got the beeps.
Oh shit.
Whew.
I took off the second one so bad.
Dude, you got a fucking huck to clear those, man.
I almost cleared that first one that time. I like landed in the divot. It's actually so easy on this thing because it just absorbs the landings, dude. It's
Facts,
crazy.
bro. I can see that for sure.
And like this isn't even a crazy suspension wheel. You waited till then to fall?
I was so scared of that thing every time we went past it.
Yeah, bro, you need to fix your pads.
Oh, fuck.
Bro's riding free foot.
Dude, straight up, yeah.
Be careful.
Oh, time to go.
Sickness, guys. Thanks for coming out. It's fucking great. Whew.
Sounded fun. I could hear you guys a lot.
Screams of pain. Wails of terror.
What's the conclusion, Tyler?
Big Creek fucks.
I meant about the UCs, but
Oh,
that too.
oh, the Nazi fucks.
The Nazi fucks.
Suspension
for sure.
fucks. I need some suspension, like, as soon as I get home. I just didn't want to spend any of my vacation money on big wheels. So once I get home, then I know it's big wheel time. I just don't know if I'm skilled enough for a bigger wheel yet. You know what I'm saying? Maneuverability and muscles.
I mean, that's a pretty decent size. What is it, like 16?
Oh, yeah, but I mean, like, weight, too. If
Yeah.
I get, like, a Sherman L, that's like double the fucking weight. I don't have double the muscles right now.
You got 500 miles. You're good.
The Sherman will ride me.
But yeah, the Aero's a fucking beauty.
Dude, yeah, I would love to be riding that one. My buddy's got one of those, but he let me borrow this one because he thought learning without suspension is smart. Oh, I didn't even fall. How'd that happen?
Roll the clip.
Oh, yeah, straight up. Like, comment, subscribe. Penis, penis, penis.
Tyler just made a final good point. We just used 8% to ride those EUCs, and our one wheels died.